Hello friends of La Cortina del Hato, and welcome to another video where today we are going to see how we can germinate rice at home from the supermarket. For this, the first thing we need is a package of rice, and the only characteristic it must have is that it should be whole grain. The brand and other details don't matter.
So let's support each other to see how to germinate rice at home. For germinating rice, right now I'm using this type of tool that is normally for sprouting at home. I will leave links in the video description, but you should know they are not necessary. All the steps we will do here can be done by you. It's just that with this, it's less labor intensive. Well, depending on how many seeds we want to germinate, we put more or less on this base like this. Perfect. Now we simply need to cover all the rice with water. And you'll see the good thing about these gadgets. Let's leave it for about 5 or 6 hours. You can leave it all night, do it at night, and the next morning we'll remove the water. Like this. The good thing about this is that they reach the limit and stay hydrated. The next day we can already empty our water. As I say, this is very convenient. Because we empty the water, we don't lose any seeds. We turn it over, and all the rice seeds stay there. It's important that they remain well moisturized, so we'll leave it like that. One more day. Tomorrow we will add more water. We add more water. Well, we'll record it tomorrow. As I said, it's just a matter of keeping the seeds well moistened. Every morning we apply a good watering, and as you can see, the excess falls through there, and if we overdo it, we simply empty it in the sink. And so we leave it until the evening when we'll repeat the watering. 3 days have passed, and as you can see, our rice is starting to sprout. Here we have one. Let's see if we can focus on it well. Look at it, with its little root and everything. We're going to plant it now. There are more still. Some have less root, others have more. This one also has a root. Let's see. You can see it, right? And here we have another one. More or less after 3 days doing these regular waterings in the morning and at night, keeping it moist, not waterlogged so they don't rot, all the rice starts to germinate. Some obviously won't germinate and may end up rotting, but quite a few do germinate. Here we have another one. Well, we have about 6 or 7 germinated rice plants, so let's transplant some with a good substrate, a mix of potting substrate and worm castings. We can do it ourselves. We have seen many times on the channel how to make worm humus. However, I'll leave a link here, and if not, we can buy a special substrate for vegetables or plants. Alright, it should be rich in fertilizers. Let's fill our little pots. For now, we don't need the pots to be very deep. We're just going to let the little plants develop. It is also important that, when I took my trip to the Ebro Delta, where the rice fields are, I learned a lot about rice cultivation, and the first part, believe it or not, doesn't have to be submerged. Often they are started in seed beds before planting them in their final place. So with a small pen, we make a couple of small holes, about 3 or 4 millimeters deep. We are simply going to place the root. We are going to put 4, which I have seen, have a root. So we take them with our tweezers. As I tell you, like this. Perfect. See? And we place our little seed in the pot, cover it as. We take another one that has a root.
Look, this one has a root and sprout.
Let's see if it's visible. I think it can be seen like this. Do you see the root downwards and the sprout upwards? Well, now we know how to place it. Root, which is the white part, and the little green part will be the future stem. We plant it. Let's find another one here.
As you see, we have a bunch germinated.
It's quite simple. And surely no one expected that they could germinate.
Press firmly there. And we're going to plant this one too.
With the root facing down. Perfect. As for watering, we will do light watering. Very important that it's light.
but we must ensure the substrate remains especially slightly moist. So it's very important to check it every day, and we'll keep waiting. In the meantime, I will keep filling this with more pots with germinated rice. Now I'll show you how the progress is going. Look, 2 more days have passed and more rice continues to germinate for us. This one already has a stem and it has,
I dropped it and it has a root, so we will also transplant it. We place it here. I have already prepared the hole, as I said, without burying it too much. Like this. Like this. Look, here we have a giant one already, with its root and its stem. So we try to place it as straight as possible. We use the tweezers. Honestly, it's great to do it with tweezers. Then it settles in, it goes adapting. But let's leave it like that, and perfect. Let's go ahead and spread the rest a little and wait a couple more days to see if we complete the seedbed. As I said, very easy to germinate. It's important. And here I have proof. Since we are continually moistening, some grains may rot. So it's important that if we see any mold residue, if it focuses, okay, we remove them as soon as possible so they don't spread to the others. Very important, let's apply watering so the plant settles. To continue the growth process like that, perfect. See how well it's settled. And the other 2 are growing little by little. In a few days, I'll show you the evolution. Look, garden friends, our rice keeps growing, huh? This is the first one we planted. Here, this one is already starting to sprout. This one too. That one not yet. There. Yes, it's the smallest.
Well, 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 well. Little by little.
50, huh? And this works. We are going to have our own rice, and which is about to become a piele. 4 more days have passed. And look how our rice is growing. The best part is that you don't necessarily see that it needs direct sunlight for these early stages. So it's a perfect experiment to do in the kitchen. Now, indeed, we will take it to grow in its final location. As you can see, a very simple experiment we can do in
our home. You have seen that they are growing little by little, but developing quite a bit. We only need brown supermarket rice, and we can enjoy this experiment. As I said, I am now going to plant it in its final place, but we could put it in a container with less drainage, because you know that rice needs to be cultivated with a lot of humidity.
So nothing more, fellow gardeners. I hope you enjoyed the video, but most of all that it was useful to you, and I'll see you next Thursday on Tony's Little Garden channel. See you later.